Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Dusk Network. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this down channel that I have been showing you in my previous videos of Dusk Network, and even when I shared my last video at that time, we just broke out the resistance of this down channel, and I also want to show you another breakout from this falling wedge pattern that has happened on the daily time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my last trade setup of Dusk Network that I shared, I think, in the month of December 2021. And that was a breakout from a falling wedge pattern, and you can see we were having a nice powerful bullish candlestick on the 4-hour time frame chart. And our first target was from 29.15 cents, and final target was here approximately at 30 cents, and the price line was moving at 23.93, approximately at 24 cents. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line even rallied beyond the second target up to 73.39 cents. Now, if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, Dusk with US dollar pair, then here we can see that it was moving inside a very long-term down channel and broke out the resistance here on 25th of July and got rejected by this resistance of 30 cents. Again moved down, and now it is forming a huge double bottom, by the way, after this breakout. This is the first bottom, and this is the second bottom formation that is being formed. And after this formation of the double bottom, there can be a high probability that now soon Dusk Network will try to break out this next key resistance that we have here at 20 cents. And you can see previously this level has been breaking as a support here, and even resistance here back in 2019 as well. And here as a support, here as a support, here as a resistance, here as a support. And therefore, you can see it is again breaking as a strong resistance. We got rejected here, and we got also rejected by this resistance level as well. At the same time, we had a spike up to this next resistance of 30 cents as well. Now let's switch to the daily time frame chart. Then here, Dusk Network has recently broken out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And by the way, there is a hidden bearish divergence, as you can see that the price line did not form a higher high than previous high. And if we take a look at the stochastic, it is forming higher than previous high, slightly higher than previous high, and RSI is forming higher than previous high in a more obvious manner. Therefore, there is a hidden bearish divergence. Therefore, there is a probability that the price line will have a correction move after this breakout, even though we had a nice pump. And for example, if there will be a price correction, there is a probability that the price line may again retest the previous resistance of wedge as a support. And it is also possible that it may test this support level here above the resistance of the wedge. And you can see previously this level has been breaking as a support here, and resistance here, almost support and resistance here as a support. Therefore, there is a probability that after testing this level of 11.5 cents, the price line will start the next reversal move. By the way, the target for this breakout will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at 17 cents. And now let's switch back to this weekly time frame chart. Then here we can see our next key resistance is at 20 cents. And in that situation, the price line can also try to break out this resistance of 20 cents. And the target for this bigger breakout from this bigger down channel, and by the way, this move is still due, since after this breakout of July 2022, we had a spike up to here, up to approximately 33.9 cents, but could not rally up to the target that was here at the top of the bed, that is approximately at $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.